What's up, everybody? This video today is about a little trick I stumbled upon for you track types. This is my 2020 Shelby GT500. I spend a lot of time at the track. Driving on track, you sometimes pick up melted rubber deposits on your tires, and you get this a whole lot more if you drive offline, which I sometimes do at the end of the session when I'm cooling down and people are still going. A good example of this is COTA, which is a real wide track, the back straight. I'll usually step to the far inside, get out of the way for people, run down the back straight because they're just hauling ass down there. And I'm cooling down. I've got carbon fiber wheels. I'm trying to cool down before the next session before I have to go coach some students. So this is going to be a little trick. This involves a tool here I found here. I was trying to figure out a good way to get rubber deposits off tires. Looking around, I got a bunch of DeWalt tools. I said, well, let me give this a try. So this is a cordless scraper. And I've got a little scraper blade on there. And we're gonna take a look at scraping my tire. All right, this is a Sport Cup 2. And as you can see, there's a bunch of added rubber, melted rubber chunks on this tire. Now some people might say, hey, it's free rubber, take it out back on track, and it'll eventually come off. Yeah, sometimes they do come off sliding, especially sliding through the corners, but a lot of times you'll just pick up horrible vibration on your tires, which absolutely sucks when you're trying to get a good lap in. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. So here we go. Try and hold the tire with my foot, hold the camera, and great, here we go. Doing this one-handed is a little bit more challenging for the video. Careful not to cut down into the tire. And I'm going super slowly because I'm doing this one-handed, holding the camera with the other hand. But it works like a champ. Well, this is one tire, a lot of debris. You got other tires over there. Let's see, those are the rears. The rears aren't too bad. The fronts are worse. That was the worst front, probably on the track's edge. Let's see, I ran these at Eagles Canyon, so going counterclockwise. This was probably my front right tire, but looks much better. Most of the big globs are gone. Actually, all the big globs are gone, and that'll be a whole lot more vibration free at the track. Taking a close look at the tool, this is, like I said, it's DeWalt. Any scraper will work. I just have a bunch of DeWalt tools and batteries. I got a scraper blade on there, but works like a champ. Just take your time. Well, I've got both front tires cleaned up. Quite the debris pile on the floor. It's worth mentioning, I've done this job on the lift. It's actually pretty easy and maybe even easier. If you have a lift, you can get the car up in the air, get underneath it, spin the tires around, spin the wheels around, cleaning up the tires. All the debris just falls away from the tire versus onto the floor, and you're kind of rolling around in it and sticking it back to the tire. But works real well on the lift. If you don't have a lift, getting the wheels and tires off works best. I have two sets of wheels and tires, so this set's off. This is my standby set. I just cleaned it off the car. But if you're going to do this trackside, it's a bit of a challenge. You got to jack up the car. You know, I don't think you're going to be able to do it with the wheels and tires on the car, rolling the car around. You know, at least I can on my car. Not a lot of good clearance underneath there, but jack up the corner, get the wheel off, clean up the tire, reinstall it, work your way around the vehicle. But that's it. That's how to remove the rubber deposits off of your track day tires. Get rid of the vibration. Hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching. See you at the track.